Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. In this video we're going to have a quick look at a key finder solution. One that's going to make it easier for you to find keys or your bag or something in your house when you've lost them. This is a kit that costs $21.99 from Amazon. I'm just going to show you what's included with the kit and how it works. So this is the key finder, like a remote control. It comes with a little stand to find your device, and this is the key. And what comes in the box is a bag of keys or key finders. So you've got all different colours. When you get yellow and purple and blue corresponding to these. When you unpack the device, and it comes with a load of batteries, you put these batteries in one of the key finders, like I have done there, and when you want to find the key you press the button. So this is an orange key, so and that beeps away and flashes like that. I can find my key, wander around the house and find the key. Now included in the box, as well as all the batteries that you would need, are some double-sided sticky pads so you can stick it to things, and some key rings to put onto your keys. And that's all you need to do. I've used similar devices. I've used the Tile, which is Bluetooth, which you pair with your phone, which is more useful if you lose something out of your home as opposed to in the home. This is for in-home stuff. So how far does it reach? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out of the room, take that remote control with me, and I'm going to see how far I can get. First of all, let's say it's loud as well. It's got a nice piercing sound so you can locate it. Okay, so I'm going to go out of the room now, and I'm actually going to go to the other side of the corridor. So with the other side of the floor I'm on, that's it off. I'm now going to go downstairs right to the other end of the house. So I've gone full width of the house, down the little floor, and it's still working. So it's picking that signal up no problem, and I could ping that without any issues. A good thing with it, I guess, is even when the batteries run out, you can just swap the batteries. Something like Tile doesn't do that. You've got to get new tiles. Of course, Tile does work with Bluetooth, so you can take it around and carry it around with you. It says that the 100 feet is the parameters that it should operate on, which is pretty handy. And like I said, you've got 6 devices as well. Because you put it on your kids and find out where the kids are and ping them to bring them back. So if you're losing stuff in your house, this is a great idea. You could even stick it on your Xbox controller, so when your kids take your Xbox controller like mine do, I can ping it and bring it back. So £21 on Amazon, nice handy little gadget to have.